Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Our today's topic is types of bar diagrams. Number one is simple bar diagrams. You see, simple bar diagrams are those diagrams which are based on a single set of numerical data. The different items or values are represented by different bars. Data relating to birth rate, death rate, production level of a commodity are generally presented in the form of simple bar diagrams. These bar diagrams present only a single set of numerical data. These diagrams are more useful to present time series data, such as individual value like weight of the students, time series like birth rate according to 2001 2011 census surveys, geographical conditions like per capita income on different states of India, namely Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, etc. The main limitation of simple bar diagram is that these diagrams can show only a single set of numerical data. Now, I will show its illustration, and that will explain the construction of simple bar diagrams. See, now this is the first illustration. The following table gives data on birth rate in India according to census survey of different years. Presented the information in the form of vertical simple bar diagrams. See, this is year 1951, 60, 61, 70, 71, 80, 81, 90, 91, 2000, 2001, 2010. Now, and this is the birth rate 45, 35, 30, 28, 24, 20. Now, I will show you its solution. Now we will see this with the help of vertical bar diagram. You see, this y-axis shows birth rate, x-axis shows year. In 1951 to 60, the birth rate is 45, shown with the help of vertical bar diagram, and from 1961 to 70 it's shown 35. Between 30 and 40, that will be called 35, right? And from 1971 to 80 it's 30. Here 1991 2000 it's 24, right? And from 2001 2010 it's 20. So this is the vertical bar diagram, right? Now the illustration 2 present the following data in the form of horizontal bar diagram. Students A, B, C, D, E, F, and marks 320, 250, 200, 150, 100, 50. Now this is the horizontal bar diagram. That was the vertical, and this is horizontal bar diagram. Now y-axis shows the student category A, B, C, D, E, F, and x-axis shows the marks 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 30, 300, 350. Now you know the students A category students got 300 marks. We will show it with the help of this horizontal bar diagram, right? Now B category students got 250 marks. We'll show it like this here, 250, right? And C category 200, D category 150, E 100, and F category 50. So this is the horizontal bar diagram, right? This is how we show the marks obtained by different category of students with the help of horizontal bar diagram. You know, in this diagram, data are presented in the form of horizontal bars, and all the bars are of equal breadth. These are also equidistant from each other. Second type of bar diagram is multiple bar diagrams. Now, multiple bar diagrams are those diagrams which show two or more sets of data simultaneously. Generally, these diagrams are used to make comparison between two sets of series, such as birth rate and death rate series. Separate bars are drawn to present separate sets of values. Generally, bars are differentiated by colors of colors to simultaneously indicate the behavior of two sets of series. Now this table shows the birth rate and death rate in India according to the census report between 1921-30 to 2012-13. Hypothetical figures. These are hypothetical figures. Now present the data in the form of this data. You have to present it in the form of a multiple bar diagrams, like the birth rate in year 1921-30 is 46 and death rate is 36. 1931-40 is birth rate is 45 and death rate is 31, right? And 2012 it's 22.5 birth rate and death rate is 7.3. Now we will show it with the help of multiple and this data with the help of multiple bar diagram. As you see that this is the multiple bar diagram. It shows the birth rate and death rate in India per thousand from 1921-30 to 2012-13. This color shows the birth rate and this color shows the death rate. Now you see, y-axis shows the birth and death rates and x-axis shows the year. In 1921 and 30, the birth rate is 46 per thousand and death rate is 36. So this is the multiple bar diagram, right? Shown with different colors. Like here in 1921-30 it is 46 and birth rate is 46 and death rate is 36. Here the birth rate shows this 46, this color, and death rate shows this color is 36. Same is the case with others. If you see in 2012 the birth rate is 22.5. here the birth rate is 22.5 and death rate is 7.3. here it's shown here in this bar diagram, right? It's here shown here. So these multiple bars, it shows birth rate here and death rate, right? So this is called the multiple bar diagram. So multiple bar diagrams are those diagrams which shows two or more sets of data simultaneously, and these diagrams are used to make comparison between two sets of series. Now we have studied the first two types of bar diagrams, simple bar diagrams and multiple bar diagrams, and we will discuss others in next topic. Thank you very much.